Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Windows Explorer caches on right click, then please watch this video. Now, I was searching for the answers on the internet and I came across the Microsoft Answers community. When I scrolled down, I saw that the main cause behind it is the third party extensions and a few more programs. So, this has also been accredited by a lot of users here. Here's what we can do. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and click on system configuration to open the application. Go to services. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, click on disable all, apply, okay, and then restart. So when you do this, your system will start without any third-party application opening at startup itself unless you specifically launch it. If this fixes the problem, then right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the apps tab, select installed apps. Now make sure that sort by is selected at date installed and you'll see all the latest installed applications. Try to find out which one is causing the problem. Usually it's Nvidia, but it can be other applications too. Click on the three dots associated with it and uninstall it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.